Hello friends, this is Profit with YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to the channel and like the video as well. So let's do the analysis for tomorrow, that is 16th of February. So as I have told you, so Nifty is working in our direction and now it is a direction trade. So let's go to our 15-minute time frame analysis. So what I have told you, so this is the internal move, okay? Internal move is going on. So and what is this move? This move is first move. Second move is completed over here and we are on the third move. So minimum target for this third move is 15,340 or 15,350. Okay. So that's yesterday only, on Friday only I updated you. So and that if Nifty is making a move from here to here. Let me draw the analysis trend lines, the level lines. So what I've told you, if Nifty is moving, okay, if Nifty is moving from here to here, from here, it is crossing this zone. Today it gap up and it took support over here and it never come back again. Okay. So now this is a breakaway gap, breakup gap. Okay. So this actually happens in the third up move. So what I mean to tell is that, let me tell you first. This is the this is the 1 minute. This is the first, second, and third we are going on. We'll be coming back 4 and again we'll go up 5. Okay. So now Nifty is in a up move. So if you see, so let's analyze a little bit backside also for the viewers who are not daily viewers who are not used to the video channel, so they can also see. So what I mean to tell is that if this wave is completed over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this wave is completed, then this could be first move, and this here is second, then we are heading towards third move, then we'll come back 4, then will be 5. Okay, so that is how the wave count is. So let's check it further. And suppose if this is the longest wave of this is the wave of this whole move. Suppose it started from here, and if this is the third up move, then this is the fourth, and we are going towards the fifth. Okay, because there is a divergence over here, lot of divergence I found. Nifty should correct more 14 till 14,500, and Nifty didn't correct over up to here. So that is what the divergence, negative divergence will be always there, because now Nifty is in a wave 5 move. I feel that. Okay. So what I mean to tell is that if this is wave 1, this is 2, then this is 3, then this is 4, which is the consolidation is over, and we are towards the fifth move. So let's suppose let's we are analyzing the fifth move. Let's do some profit on this move only, and later on if it is falling, then we'll check. Okay, we'll check the wave count, but right now we are in the right direction. So let's calculate the move over here. So let's calculate the move over here. So what I told, if this is the correction made, okay, if this is the correction made, if this is A, B, C, if this correction is made A, B, and C, if this is over for this one, then there is a consolidation, and this is 1 and this is 2, and we further jump to 3. That what I already shared with you. You can go through the viewers who have not gone through the video, please go the last video. I have done the detailed analysis of this move. Okay, you can get some clarity. And why I told that this from here you can get 300 to 500 points, and if it is broken over here you can get 14,500, which is 500 points. But as per my right directions, I told you that my bias is towards bullish move, bull move. On Friday only I told you, and why I told you that the reason is there in that video. So here we are heading towards now 15,500 to 600 level. Okay, so today almost first target is done, 15,335. Okay, 15,335 first target is done. So now the trailing stop loss is there, so you can trail your stop loss. Okay, 15,276 will be the stop loss. First stop loss was this one, 15,240, from where you got 100 points. Okay, 15,340. Now 15,276 can be the stop loss, and tomorrow we may be gap up. Okay, again will maybe gap up, because third move is always a gap up only, because there the Nifty will to a little bit consolidation, then gap up, then gap up. Like this it will happen. And let me tell you once again the target also. I feel what is the target over here. So I am counting for this move, not for the whole move. Okay. So this move is coming around 15,511. That is the this 15,340 target. When it will meet, then we have 15,500. Okay, 15,500. The next target from here, it will again fall. Okay, it will again fall from here, 15,500. It will not go straight 15,500. It will again fall to somewhere around 23% or 50% will check, or it can truncate over here. That always I used to say that after third up move, I cannot guarantee that the trade will continue. It can move downward also, because fifth move is what it is a after third there will be it will make some flat move or zigzag, and it may go up or go down. Okay, so if it is crossing 15,511, we have to trail our stop loss. Okay, and we can reach here 15,700 level. So from here, a 15,700 level, a correction is due. So we will from here we can see a fall. So my target as of now is 1500 500, then 15,000 15,700. Okay, that is the achievable target I can give you. Okay, so this fourth move is completed. So now right now we are in a bull move, so play with your stop loss. Okay, it is not that we are god or something like that, and we are working on the market view. Only one thing is, when you are playing the market, only market is the god, and market Nifty knows, or market knows, or Bank Nifty knows where to go. Okay, we can give only our views, and our views is that now we are biased towards bull move. So 15,500 is the target. Next target is 15,700. We almost one target is reached, 15,340. Tomorrow it will be done, 15,340. Then we will move towards 15,500. Okay, so trail your stop loss, and the indicator is always there with you. It is shared, by me, so you can always be on the trend to check the trend. Okay, so it put always 1 hour. See, indicator is always there. See, this one I already discussed in the last video. So if you are moving along the trend, see, you move along the trend, and don't be biased towards short or put moves. All 15,000 all level put will go zero. Okay, so today also a stop loss hunting was there. If you see, today also a stop loss hunting was there. 1 minute, let me put the moving average indicator. So here is the one. Let me do for you. Sorry. 13. So 13 over high. Okay. So today also stop loss hunting was there. If you see the Nifty makes this one actually makes sideways and they're trying to fall up to here. And I told you the stop loss is 15,240. Until unless 15,240 it breaks, you don't be so much get worried or something like that. Uh, so see, so today see it moves and it makes something like this. But if you check the this one actually Nifty future, if you have checked somebody, then I will tell you what happened in the Nifty future. Nifty future around for 1420. If you put the volume indicator, uh, whenever there is a fall or something, you should check that what is happening in the 5 minute candle or something like that. Okay, see what happened. A full volume. So volume was not there. Okay, volume was not there, but the volume came over here. In Nifty future, you can check the volume. Even you can go to the 1 minute chart and you can see what the volume came over here. Okay, the volume was not there at all. Okay, the volume was not there, and as soon as the volume came, and again it makes some correction like this, and the last moment it picks up. Okay, last moment it picks up. So that is how the Nifty means operator used to do for the stop loss huntings. So never get biased towards. So if your analysis is correct, you should not get biased towards the means until unless the stop loss is hit, stop loss comes to, you should not be worried. Okay. So respect always your stop loss. Once the stop loss is hit, you can get out for the trade, get out of the trade, and once it is again moving towards the moving average, you can be on the trade. Okay. So be don't be get biased towards now short side. I'm telling again and again, this is the third up move which can give you a target of 15,500. Okay, until unless you see that your candles are moving these directions, it is moving closing this direction, then only you can get out of the trade. Okay, so till now I feel we will meet our target. Okay, we always have the target made. See from here 1,000 points, here 1,000 points. So always we have the target made. This time also we'll meet our target. Okay. Now again coming to Nifty Bank you see today it break down this consolidation. Yes, on that day on Friday only I used to tell you 37,400 is on the card, and today in one day only it gives 37,400. And what was my target actually? Target is 38,000. Okay, so another 600 points it is coming. Okay, as per the analysis, go through the last video there, the detailed analysis is there. So I feel that Nifty Bank will meet the target tomorrow. So tomorrow also we can see a gap up or something, and there will be a move towards 38,000. Okay, that's it guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please share the video to your friends so that they will also get benefit from this channel, and they will make some money. Okay, and they learn something. First of all they should learn something. Okay, learn and gain from this channel. That's it. Thank you. Bye.